Yeah, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna show you some more features from the DJI Osmo. Now I got the Panorama 360 view set up, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. So if you have something that could hold it really really strong and use that, or I'll just hold it with your hand on it or on the table like I am doing. So how to do that? You have to go to this right there. And then there are a lot of things you could take: single, pano, and long exposure. So you want to press on pano, and then there's a you could think about 180 degrees and 330 degrees. I'm going to do 330. It doesn't have 360 because it can't turn around the whole way. So it has to do 330, but that's really cool too. So let's select 330, or let's do 180 first. Okay, so and then you select your angle. You go like this. And then take the photo. Do everything automatically. Okay. So now it's processing. Let's get it to another angle. I'm not sure if you could see that. Wait a sec. Maybe I should zoom in. So you can't see that so well, but it's really amazing if you do it yourself. I'm just going to show you how to do it. That was 180 degrees. And now the 360, 30, it's even cooler because you get the pretty much the whole room or whatever you're inside, only like looking straight back, like there. So let's select my angle. This time I'm going to go a little bit higher. And go. This shows how much steps it's doing. Boom, done. It's going to process a little bit longer because this is pretty hard to do. Now you got pretty much the whole room, or yeah, exactly whatever you're in. Okay. I'm going to try to show you it again. So for me, it's pretty much the whole room I'm in. And then the long exposure, but that is really important that it doesn't move or wiggle. So let's select long exposure. These are the two ones: light trail and long exposure. We're going to do long exposure. Let's select something. Select that thing right there. Let's go long exposure. Oh no, battery is out again. And you could stop whenever you want with that picture. See, this is how much it wiggled. So if you move it even more, it's gonna get even worse, worse, worse. Or you can make really funny, cool photos, like ghost photos or something. So it's pretty cool. So I recommend you to try that out once. Whoops, that was a mistake now. Oh god, that was 3 photos. And now the light trail. I never even tried that, but let's try it now. Oh, that's so cool. No, I don't like it. You can't even see anything if you move. Yeah, that's pretty much all. Single, you could select time, HDR. And yeah, so in the future I'm going to show you some more cool tricks for the DJI Osmo. And yeah, see you again. Bye bye.